Hi there. So if in the previous video I spoke generally about the importance of business models and what it is like, which is like a road, we have developed a business model of how to develop technologies. And today we call it entrepreneurship. We call it startups. We have VCs that support those startups, and we have even the countries, the local ministry of technology or industry or agriculture and so on that support those startups. So we have made a huge step of developing new technologies. This is great. And this is also what we saw in the International Conference on Business Models in Agriculture. We know how to develop new technologies. This is well established. Investors are ready to invest because and thanks to this in innovative technologies. But there is one problem, which I'm going to talk in the next video in this series. Bye-bye.